Back at it again, doing a couple of things that I need done, but don't have all the stuff to do it professionally. So we're going to just try to make it work what we're doing with what we got. What it is, beside my shop, I've got a stove in there, a wood stove that I'm going to be using to keep the shop warm, as it's been in the previous videos. And I need to stack my wood beside the shop, but it's all rocky, and when they poured the concrete, it's all kind of messed up there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make something that I can use to stack my wood on that doesn't really matter if it's level, that much level. And I've had this tower, I don't know if you can see it on the ground here. I've had this tower, section of this tower, I've got it, part of it up on the house for my antenna, but this section I haven't used in probably 20-something years. It's just been laying out beside the house for that long period of time, and I'll never use it for that because my antenna is high enough, it's doing exactly what it's meant to do. So I'm going to take this and these posts that are sitting here beside here. Those are actually off of a camper, the jack stands off of a camper, and I'm going to grind some of that down so that I can weld. And how I'm going to do this, I want this to sit like this, where this top of it is flat and I can stack my wood this way. So what I'm going to end up doing is taking these legs and putting them in like this and welding it. So I'll have one, actually not right there. I'll have to weld it together and show you exactly. It's going to be like a cross like this that runs under here and under here, and that'll actually hold this up off the ground so the wood doesn't rot. Hey guys, I'm back. This is what I've been working on, and you can see, I don't know if you can see it in the camera or not in the video, but I put those cross members on. One goes this way, and the same over here, this way and this way. This is what I was talking about putting firewood on, and I just got some trees down here, and you can see all this stuff that's cut up over here that needs to be cut in half. And I'm going to take that. Well, I'm going to stack it on this. This will be up against that outside of the shop right there. And all that metal and all the garbage that's over here will be taken care of and gotten rid of. But that's what my original plan was. But as I was carrying it from the shop where I welded it over to here, which is my daughter and son-in-law, from their mechanic shop over to here, I set it down here because I was tired of carrying it and decided that I would try to see. It sat pretty well. I was kind of surprised. So I went and got myself a piece of cedar that I had laying down, and I'll show you. Set it on like that. Now that came out to be quite comfortable sitting on. I mean, it looks definitely mechanical or kind of utilitarian or something like that, so I don't know if I want to actually put that out here, because what we're doing, let me zoom right around here. There's one of the shop dogs, and hey Pipes, and there's the other one. What are you doing? You can see I burned a big pile right there. But this whole area, we're talking about making this into an outside recreation area. Putting a camp, not a camp area, but a cooking area over on against the rock wall area, and then graveling all this, and then taking these logs that you see, one right here, and this one that goes all the way back to there, cutting those up and making chairs out of those. So I'm not sure yet what exactly I'm going to do, but we're going to get gravel and put in this area and make this an outside fire pit area for, you know, just enjoying ourselves outside. Since sometimes we get some really beautiful weather here, we may as well enjoy it, right? But so my decision on this yet, I'm not sure. You can see that I would have to do some cleaning up. You can see how that's been welded together there and welded together there. Am I the best welder in the shop? Nah, that doesn't matter. But all this tin here is going to be moved to the back side over here, and I'm going to have it attached to the side of the shop, and I'll be putting some racking up there for wood storage and for outside storage, stuff I don't need to keep inside my shop. But I guess in the future we'll find out exactly what I do. If I keep it as stacking all the lumber out here for my wood burning stove that's inside, which I've got to cut a hole here for. Brand new shop, remember. And we'll have to find out exactly what I'm going to do here, and well, I'll let you know. Just taking what I got and making it work. Some of that's pretty bad, very bad and funky wood, but I got it hanging out so I can come with a chainsaw and just cut this end off and just carry that piece into the shop and burn it. That's it. Thanks for joining us.